Hey, welcome back to Bear Squared. On this channel, we simplify educational tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you my everyday tech carry. I thought it might be useful to share this as a tech coach and a math teacher. This is what I carry on a daily. So first thing first, I rock a, let me try to grab this out, my MacBook Air. Yeah, I don't use this as much as I possibly could. What I use is my everyday sort of teaching device. It's an iPad Pro. Of course, I have to rock the Apple Pencil with this because I do all my annotations, screenwriting and all that stuff. Some of the apps that I couldn't live without on this would be GoodNotes. Like 100% GoodNotes is my everyday app. You know, I'm creating notes and so on and so forth. Kids can interact with this. Solid device, pretty much all day long. What else do I carry? Of course, the accessories that I need on a daily basis. Now, the thing with me is I'm floating from room to room. I don't have a dedicated room, so I'm floating around the campus, so I need to carry all of this gear. Some of the boring trinkets are the pens, okay, a black, a red, and a blue pen. I do have a pencil floating around, here we go. That's my yellow pencil. Goes a long way, man. It's a really solid writer, especially when you're marking those papers. That's a solid set of pens. I did mention I'm a math teacher. I do carry a GDC, a graphics display calculator, especially when I have to demo something to a student. I'm gonna go ahead and carry that with me. This is a part that you might want to skip. This is a Mopoint 65 watt charger, really super compact and super fast charging. If I can't find one of those outlets, I've got a standard, you know, this is just your 18 watt Apple wall plug. I need these two because I don't sit primarily at a desk. I'm floating around class to class, and so I need to pack some of my cables. Cable management isn't my forte. However, I do run this little anchor plate, and what that does is it magnetizes the ends onto this so I can have some form of organization in my bag. Of course, I'm rocking my AirPods Pro. I don't want to disturb other teachers when I'm in their classrooms and I need to listen to something, or I'm catching up on a podcast or something. I'm going to rock my AirPods Pro. And then, oh yeah, I forgot my sticky pad. If I need to give a note to someone else, instead of collaborating a Google Keep note, I can just write it down here, slap this off, give it to them, and then they can keep that for reference. Let's see what else we've got. I've got a USB-C to an SD card, and we'll get to why I have that on me. Oh, I've got my ID, my ID card. I need that for printing. That's important. Oh, hang tight. Dongle when I need to connect to an extended display. I don't do that too often because we rock the Apple TVs, so we just connect via AirPlay most of the time, pretty much. But it's nice to have this if I need to throw in a USB and someone's transferring a file or something. Carry this stuff around is because I might be on campus and I might start recording a tutorial to help out someone in dire need. Hey, how do I install Mo, or how do I do that? I just create a tutorial or link to a tutorial. And so that is the next part of this tech carry. So here we go. Trying to guess what it is. This is a part of my tech carry for that bit. It's a rocket blower to clean out lenses. Now I do rock a few lenses when I go to school, just because I don't know what I'm going to be recording. If I'm recording an in-class experience, I might need a telephoto, so I might need to rock something like this. It's a zoom lens. Sometimes I'm just doing a face-on tutorial like this, so I'm going to rock a wide lens. This is a Sigma 16, so it's really wide, and a couple of lens pens because, you know, I'm in a rush. I want to quickly set up for a tutorial. I might want to brush off the lens in a pinch. I have a microfiber cloth. I've just pulled it out because I was using it, but a microfiber cloth stays in my bag as well. I'm sure I've got my SSD here with its cable, and I've got just video files on it just to offload so that I don't fill up the memory on my computer, on my iPad. Pretty much most of the time when I'm doing a sort of on-the-fly tutorial, I will run a wireless setup. I'll rock this setup here. That will just stay in my bag, and it's really small with this pouch that sits there. And then I might have this as a backup microphone. This is a lavalier, so it's one of those little ones that you can clip on. Just negotiating getting this out is the mission. Here we go. That's a little, and that is a cable for your phone. You can connect that grey part to your phone. Okay, there's one important thing, because when I'm at school and I'm in an office, like I told you, I might be floating in different classrooms. I can't control the lighting necessarily, so I need something like this, which is to balance, to set my white balance. So in a pinch, I can really quickly just set my white balance on the camera. What else have I got going? Oh, I didn't even get to my my cell phone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, it is what it is. I needed a new phone because my old phone's camera stopped working, and it was fine. The camera stopped working, so I thought, why not? Let me just upgrade to the latest and greatest. So that's all cool. Next, it comes to the camera. I'm recording my second angle from the camera. Sony a6400, and I'm rocking the Sigma 18 to 55 on that. This is the Manfrotto Street. Yeah, it's cool because what happens is you can open it up, you've got all of that space inside, and then at the bottom, this is like a separate box for like the camera gear. So I've got my lenses in here, I've got my camera in here, and that's the bag that I'm rocking. And at the back, it's got this space for your computer, your laptop, and it's got this sponge on the bottom so it doesn't hit the floor and smash up. I ain't gonna lie, there's one more thing that I really do though. I tend to just run around on campus with this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.